Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to withdraw money from GoCrypto. GoCrypto shows current market prices in real time. You can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies inside the app. But all your gains and losses are fake, not real. You are not using actual money. Everything you do is for learning, because the money is virtual. There is no option to convert the balance into real money. There is no withdrawal method. Some users may be confused by terms like earn or rewards. Those are virtual rewards inside the app. They are not transferable. You cannot send them to someone else, to your bank, or to a crypto wallet. It is useful as a way to practice strategies, to learn how crypto markets move, to study charts, to see how buying and selling works without any risk. Because you are not using real money, there is no risk of losing your own funds. At the end, to be very clear, you cannot really withdraw from GoCrypto. It is strictly virtual. It is for training, for practice. Thanks for watching.